Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a beautiful reverse smoky eye using Q-tips. You heard that right. I'm going to be using Q-tips to do a reverse smoky eye. What's nice about Q-tips is it always gives you a beautiful diffuse look, and you don't have to worry about, which brush to use, how do I blend it out. Just use a Q-tip. Everyone from Kim Kardashian and Deepika Padukone rock the smoky eye. They look absolutely stunning. And nice thing about smoky eyes is they elongate your eyes. Who doesn't like big eyes, right? I've been doing reverse smoky eyes like this forever. It's one of those jugaad, or that little invention where you can't find the right brush and you pick up whatever's next to you, and for me it was the Q-tip, and ever since I did it the first time, I've always gone back to the Q-tip. I never used the brush for this, and I wanted to share this method with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we start smoking anything, let's go ahead and clean up the borders of my brows. I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in 145. I'm taking it with this ColourPop concealer brush, and I'm not only cleaning up the borders of my brows, but I'm also going to use the concealer on my lids as a base, just so I can even out the skin tone and keep it ready as a clean canvas before we do anything else. Before this concealer starts creasing, I'm going to set it with some loose powder. I'm using Master Fix from Maybelline. This is a very finely sifted powder. I'm lightly going to dust it on the concealer. I'm going to be using some sticky tape in the corners of my eyes as a stencil. I'm going to cut just enough to draw out a wing, so that's going to be the length of the wing. And then I'm going to remove much of the stickiness by sticking it in the back of my hands a couple times. That way when it sticks on the concealer, it doesn't pull the concealer out and it's not harsh on your skin. I'm going to stick this tape in a way that it's an extension of my lower lash line. You've seen me use the sticky tape before to do dramatic eye makeup, but I stick it below my lash line. This time I'm sticking it above my lash line. As you can see now, it's an extension of my lower lash line. The only eyeshadow that you'll be needing for this is a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. The one that I'll be using is from the Sigma Nightlife palette. Next, I'm taking a Q-tip. This is just a regular Q-tip, and I'm going to dip it in the black eyeshadow. And I'm going to make sure that the tip is saturated really well, and it should look something like this. Starting with my outer corner, I'm going to pull out a line using the sticky tape as a guide. And then I'm going to very lightly start shading the black in my lower lash line. I'm working very light-handedly so the color distributes evenly. If you want, you can always add more color, but make sure you take very little at a time. I personally like a diffuse look, so I'm going to keep on shading and add just a little bit more color to increase the intensity. And when I come to the outermost point, I'm going to push the color out so I get a sharper edge. And now when you take off the tape, your wing should look something like this. How sharp, clean, and beautiful does that look? And best of all, it took me less than a minute to do the shading itself. You can now finish up with any kind of eye makeup that you prefer to fill in the lid space. I'm going to keep it really simple because I want the focus to be on the reverse smoky eye. I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner in black in my waterline. This is a black eye pencil. You can use any black eye pencil, a gel liner, a kohl liner, or kajal. I'm going to use a tad bit more in the outer corner of my upper lash line, just so I can join it with the wing and this continuity. And as you can see, my eyes look longer and extended, and I have hooded eyes, so if I can pull this off, anybody can pull this off. This look is so flattering on anybody. To finish up, I'm going to be using some false lashes, but before that, I'm going to prep my natural lashes by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit Cosmetics. And for lashes, I'm using the Black Label lashes in the style Brazen. finish the rest of the makeup, and in case you're wondering what's on my lips, it's the Folklore Velvet Lipstick in V06. And here is the completed look, so classy with less effort and gets done so quickly. Let me know what you guys think by commenting below. If you learned something new and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes a bonus video on Sunday. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my social media links. So if you plan to recreate this look or any of my other looks, please don't forget to tag me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys!